Start by entering the PhoenixL browser and log in with a student account. Then start the Mechanical Structure module. Go into the VR Lab tab and select Spindle Assembly under these sections. At the top of the screen, there are multiple buttons, which will be covered later in this video. The top of the right panel shows the components and steps of assembly, and the bottom shows the current tools. The instruction panel and next step for assembly can both be found at the bottom of the screen. The mechanical structure is located at the center of the screen. It contains the basic components. The learning guide provides context-aware guidance for students and is handy for self-learning on complicated operations. It also shows the progress of the operation. It can be opened and closed by double-clicking the icon. To complete a step, drag the components onto the corresponding parts of the 3D scene, then watch the animations of the procedures. After the animation is complete, move on to the next step. A step cannot be completed if the wrong tool is selected. Both the learning guide and the instruction panel will say which tool is correct. Select the correct tool and continue on with the operation. When necessary, the platform will render some parts transparent to show any internal parts. Once all the steps are done, the learning guide will show 100% for the progress. To check the experiment report, click on the Experiment Report button at the top of the screen. The report contains student information and also all the details on the operation. It can be printed as a copy or submitted for the teacher's review. For more information, visit phoenixl.com.